Welcome to this video on data collection for ArcGIS field maps. This video will cover how to view data, collect data points, sync your map, and collect line features. Now that you've opened your offline map, you can view existing data. Pan and zoom to view the data to use for navigation or viewing. There is a standard symbology set used on this map. To understand the symbology, click the three dots at the top and click Legend. Here, you can view what all of the symbols mean on the map. Now I'm ready to start collecting data on my map. To do this, I'm going to click the plus button on the bottom right corner and look for the point type I'm looking to collect. I want to collect a drop point, so I'm going to search it in the top bar. Using the plus and the circle to guide me, I'm going to add my point and click Add Point. Now I can see the coordinates of my point have been generated, and I'm ready to start filling out the attributes. Please note that only critical information should be added to the map. Please do not add or edit outside of your assigned area. When filling out comments, text-to-speech is helpful for data completeness. Now that I've filled out my form, I'm going to click the check in the top right. I can now view the drop point I just added to my map. When zooming out and looking at the map, I can see that there's an internet access feature. An internet access feature is usually where firefighters can get cell service. Now let's talk about syncing your data. Because your data is offline, when you add a point, it's not automatically reflected in everyone else's dataset. Syncing your map both uploads your latest changes to the online map and downloads the latest changes to your offline map. To sync, go to the top and click the arrows. I have the option to sync now. Also note that Auto Sync is enabled. Auto Sync will sync my map whenever internet access is available. You can change this in the field map's profile settings. Syncing your data should occur throughout the day as internet connection is available and not just at the end of the day. Now that we've reviewed how to collect points and sync our data, let's talk about how to collect lines. When collecting lines, we do the same that we do for points and click the plus at the bottom right, but this time select a line feature. I'm going to select a dozer line. When logging the dozer line, I will capture the line that was constructed as a fire break and note the width of the line. Now I'm going to start collecting the line feature. I'm going to click the three dots and click Start Streaming as I begin walking the dozer line. This starts recording my data in a stream of points that will be turned into a line after I click Stop Streaming. As I walk, the line collects where my device is detected. Once I'm done streaming the dozer line, I'm going to click Stop Streaming. Now, I'll fill in attributes just as I would for collecting points. Once I'm done, I'm going to click the check in the top right, and once the window says Submitted, I can see the dozer line I just generated. Line streaming and collection settings can be updated in the Profile section within the Field Maps app.